Namaste and welcome to my channel. Let's learn classes. Today we'll discuss very interesting topic, that is nests of birds. Now, do you know why birds make their nest? Birds build their nest to keep their young ones safe and warm inside them. Birds build their nest mostly in February and March. Alright? Birds basically they need what they need? They need some materials to make the nest, like twigs, grasses, leaves, roots, feathers, cottons, wool, thread, pieces of cloths, paper, hair, straw, etc. to build the nest. Now children will read about or know about the kinds of nest. Birds build a variety of nest. So here number 1 is deep cup shaped nest built by crows and sparrow at a great height. Do you know why? Because their young ones are born blind. They don't have any feathers. So such kind of nest prevent the young ones from falling. Number 2 is shallow nest. Shallow nests are built by fowls and partridges on the ground. How they build? They scrape on the ground with their beaks to form a hollow in which they build their nest so that no one can see them. Third type of nest is cradle-like nest. Cradle-like nests are built by Weber birds. The nest is like this. You can see in this picture. The nest hangs from the tree and acts like a cradle for the young ones, so that the young ones should not fall off from the nest. Fourth type is leafy nest. So you can see very nicely they make the leafy nest with the using leaves. So the bird who makes the leafy nest? Tailor birds builds a leafy nest. They stitches 2 or 3 broad leaves together and makes a nest. Number 5 is woodpecker is a bird that builds a nest in the tree trunk. What they do? They dig a hole in the trunk of a tree using its strong and hard beaks, and they make the hole as like drill. They drill the trunk of the tree deeper and deeper till it reaches a hollow in the tree, then makes its nest there. Some birds are like owl, parrot, hornbill. They make their nest or they stay themselves in a hollow space in the tree or walls. They line their nest with some grass and feathers. Here you can see different type of nest. This type of nest is called tunnel shaped nest. This tunnel shaped nest made by kingfisher. Kingfisher is a bird that makes tunnel shaped nest. It digs a long tunnel on the bank of a river or any pond. Alright. Do you know quail bird? So, very interesting fact is that quail bird is a very lazy bird. They never build their own nest. They are very clever. Quail bird is very clever bird. What they do? They lay their eggs in another bird's nest. What they do? When any bird gives babies hatch out of the eggs, they push the bird baby, small babies, they push out, quail bird push out, and in that nest they lay their eggs. Mostly mean they select crow's nest every time. So we have learned the different types of birds and different types of nest. So the birds make their nest to keep their babies safe, and after that when they grew up they develops their feathers and grow and they learn to fly, and then the baby birds become independent bird. Hope you have understood. Thank you.